How to lose weight with green tea. By now, almost everyone who uses health and dietary supplements will have heard of green tea. It is currently used primarily as an antioxidant, but this is a complex herb that is still being researched. Available as liquid extract, regular tea or tablets, green tea weight loss products are considered to be some of the most effective ways to burn extra calories. In addition to weight loss functions, it can also help slow the signs of aging by helping to speed up the regenerative functions of the cells. Whilst this is an added benefit, weight loss products rely on its ability to work as a natural laxative and use it as a product that purges toxins from the system. Our body loses more calories because it is sped up, thereby reducing the amount of fat tissue which would normally form. The use of green tea weight loss products still requires effort on the part of the person who wants to lose weight, meaning exercise and healthy food are still required. For it to work, adjustments to diet and mental attitude are necessary for a person to become healthier. It is not just a case of losing weight. When prepared as infusion, green tea should be used in the evening before going to bed. There is generally an acclimatization period of a couple of days when using this product, during which time the user may feel some stomach and bowel discomfort, but it shouldn't take too long before this vanishes. Some people are worried about this reaction, but this is how green tea weight loss supplements work, by making adjustments to the body's metabolic rate. It doesn't take long to see the results, and if you follow your diet correctly, i.e. increasing your liquid intake, regular exercise and eating fruit and vegetables, then expect to see good results within your first week. One very successful combination of green tea products is that which includes ginseng root extract. Ginseng helps by adding minerals and vitamins that will increase its efficiency and detoxification properties. Increasing the energy and vitality level of the user, ginseng is a valuable addition to green tea products, especially for people trying to get back to what should be their normal weight. People can use ginseng and tea tree combined for extended periods of 6 months without any side effects becoming apparent, so they are extremely safe to use. Hi there. If you like this video, please click on like and share also. Feel free to ask anything about health in comments section. Do not forget to subscribe my Health Solutions channel.